All right, well, here's our first shot. Sorry I didn't record earlier. I forgot to start recording till just now. It's a 357 Magnum, jacketed soft point. Did not go through. So let's try the next one. This is being shot out of a 6-inch Japa 60DS. The next round is a 357 Magnum also, but it's a extreme penetrator round. They believe the Extreme Hunter. Let's see if that went through. Well, certainly made a decent hole in the front. Let's see about the back. Oh, fudge. It did go through. Oh, fudge. It went through both sides. All right. All right, let's try the Extreme Hunter. Now, this is the bigger one. The Extreme Penetrator. I'm going to try upper left corner. By the way, I'm wearing ear protection. Not the best. It's not proper ear protection, just AirPods. And that last one definitely went definitely more than what the AirPods could handle. Let's see if the vest could handle the bullet itself, though. Well, it didn't. Oh, it did go out the back. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, apparently the vest did, at first, what it was advertised to do is stop the 357 jacketed hollow point. As you can see, there's no hole back there in response to that one. Oops, sorry, I keep focusing that out. But these Extreme Penetrator rounds, the 357 Underwood Extreme Penetrator rounds, went right through. Huh. At least I have a 6-inch barrel. Maybe let's try it out on a 4-inch barrel.